Hello everybody, I'm here with a little thrift haul, and now I used to do thrift hauls a lot on my channel here and I kind of got away from it, but I'm going to kind of bring it back. I think it's been a good maybe 3 years since I've done a thrift haul on this channel, but I'm hopefully that you're going to be happy to see them again. I'm going to get some staging items actually for this thrift haul. I went to an estate sale, but then I also went to the Goodwill. So I want to show you what I got at each one, and then I'm going to come back and I'll have another video that shows you how I give them a makeover, especially for those of you who like to make a quick flip. Maybe you buy something from a garage sale or a thrift store, you paint it, you give it a new look, and you turn around and sell it on Marketplace. So I'm going to be doing a lot of that on here. So let's go ahead and let's go with the first items. This is what I got at an estate sale. Now, the key to estate sales, I'm going to put the app down below in the description box, and I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks along the way. So make sure that you watch this entire video. As far as one of my tips when it comes to estate sales is I use an app, and I almost hate even giving out this tip because other people will be using this app and it's going to be harder. I'll be having more competition of people at my estate sales that I go to. But it's called estatesales.net, and I'm going to put it down in the description box. It's an app that I've always been using. You can type in your zip code of where you're located at, and it will show you a map of where all the estate sales are in your area. Estate sales are usually listed on Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So you can go in and you can select like tomorrow, today, 7 days out. And you can see a list of estate sales that are in your area. But not only that, you click on an estate sale. Let's say there's one right down the road from you, but you want to see what's there. They usually don't post pictures until the day of the estate sale, but you can click on that estate sale and it brings up a load of pictures of items that are going to be there, so you have an idea whether they have what you're kind of looking for or the style that you're looking for. I use that for my furniture flipping a lot. Now, also on top of that, your first day of the estate sale, everything's always full price. Second day of the estate sale, a lot of them will drop their prices, some 25%, some will drop them 50%. And then on the third day, a lot of them are either 50% or 75%. So, I kind of like to watch. And you get to heart items. Let's say you like an item that's in someone's estate sale. You heart it. That way you can easily go back and find it. If it's a dresser you're looking for, if it's a specific piece of artwork that you're looking for, or a collectible, you can heart it and it's easy to go back and find it. So that's my tip number one is estate sale. Use the estatesale.net app. It makes life so much easier and it's a lot more fun. Okay, so at the estate sales, I like to look for art supplies. This is a brand new canvas, a 24 by 24 canvas. And I paid $6 for this. $6. When you go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, you gotta wait for the sales. And if they don't have the sales going on, canvases can be pricey. So when I see any canvases, whether they're already painted on or not, if it's a good deal, I'm buying them. This was only $6, brand new, still has the plastic on it. So that was a good deal. That was at an estate sale. Okay, and at that same estate sale, I got an artwork, and I'm not painting over this. I'm actually going to be keeping this. This is someone's actual painting. I paid, this was $25, I believe, and then I got the 50% off, but check this out. That is a real painting. And they've signed it and everything. It's got all the little brush strokes. I just absolutely love it. But I had gone to the estate sale and then turned around and went back. And so this is on another day, but it's the same estate sale. I wasn't sure if I wanted this, but then the more I looked at it, the more I fell in love. Look at that painting. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm keeping her. And I actually bought the easel that she came on. I've been needing an easel. If you follow me on my Facebook page, I actually did a canvas painting tutorial and my easel had broke. So I was using a chair to hold my easel. So I got this cool easel. Check this out. It's like a desktop easel, or you can put it in your lap, you can set it on your kitchen table. And then, my husband's like, well, that's for small canvases. Actually, no. I'm gonna prop this up my legs real quick and show you. Check this out. Okay, so you can adjust the size of the canvas by unscrewing it. This goes high and this one goes low. So I can actually get a very good size canvas in there. You just have to tighten the screws. So there we go. So it adjusts to any size canvas. Well, pretty much most any size canvas. I liked how it was stained. It will lay flat You just unscrew it and it will lay flat on my desk. And on top of that, it will store art supplies. We're trying to find the drawer. Here's the drawer. You unclip it, and out pulls a drawer. Unclip both sides, I guess. Out comes a drawer for you to keep your art supplies in. Clip it shut. And it has a carry-in handle. Look at that. So this easel is fully portable. No matter where I'm at, I can pull this out and grab my canvas and be able to work wherever I want to. Now I always do this at the estate sale. I'm gonna go on Amazon and I'm gonna try to see what the prices are at Amazon before I go and spend the money at an estate sale. I wanna make sure that I'm getting a good deal. Now I researched this on Amazon. These brand new run anywhere from $40 on up. Some of them were like $60, $65. But this one was stained wood. It had the drawer in it. A lot of them on Amazon was like that yellow pine and it wasn't finished. This just, I mean, so much more pleasing to the eye. And this was actually $29. But I was happy to spend $29 for this. But look at that, isn't that pretty? I'm so excited to have this easel. And when I'm not using this easel, I'm gonna show you. I'm using it for staging and for props because this is what drew me to it, and I noticed it in the first place, sitting in the back shelf, is because it was holding that gorgeous artwork. So I'm gonna actually be using this on one of my tables as a way to display the artwork as well. So I got that at an estate sale. Now that's all I got at an estate sale. The rest of it I got at the Goodwill. Now when I'm at the Goodwill, once again, canvases. This is a big photo, but it's on a canvas. And this is huge. I will put the measurements down below. I haven't measured it because I just got it. This was, let me look, see if you can see it. This was $15.99, and it was a green tag. Anything that was green tagged was actually 50% off at the Goodwill. So I had a choice. They had another canvas there that was this size, and it was the $15.99, but it was a different color tag. So I went for this one because it was half off. So I got this basically for $8, but look at how huge this is. It is ginormous. I'll put the measurements down in the description, but look at this pretty canvas. So I don't know if I'm gonna paint over this or not because the picture is so pretty and it'll be beautiful for staging furniture. It's like a little cafe, like a little French, I don't know where it's located at. I can't tell by the writing in it, but it's just this beautiful little cafe and it's a photograph, but it's huge. It's gonna be gorgeous for staging. It has a really good wood frame to it. But like I said, I paid $8 for that. It was $15.99, 50% off. This won't be a flipper. I'm not gonna be flipping this because like I said, I'm keeping this for staging. But these are gonna be flippers. Let me show you the next thing. Anytime I can find a jewelry box, and this is one tip when it comes to jewelry boxes, right away, I'm going up and down the aisles looking for jewelry boxes, but I'm always opening the drawers and looking inside because the amount of money that you put into a jewelry box, the thing is if the felt is in bad condition on the inside, it's just a lot more work. So you gotta consider in your mind, am I willing to take the time to fix all that felt that's in the inside? Is the inside of it really beaten up? So I look for jewelry boxes that have, the inside is in good condition. Outside I can work with. Outside I feel that I can restore it and make it look beautiful. Inside with the fabric and everything, not so much. I'm not too excited about having to do the work inside. So when I see a jewelry box, first thing I do is open them up. They're in great condition on the inside. It's at a good price. I'm usually snagging it up. Now this one was I know you can't see the price, it's $3.99. And it was an orange tag, so I paid full price. I was okay with paying $4. It's just a simple wood box. But the nice thing about these simple wood boxes, the inside is just wide open and it's clean. It's got some wood dowels, some little wood dowels in here. So you can use it as maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure what you use it for. It's got these little wood dowels in here that come down, but the inside is clean. That's what I was looking for. It's clean. It has a little photograph in here, but I can update this really easy. Now with this, I'm gonna be giving it a paint job. You can put transfers on it, especially something this size. If you have leftover transfers, like image transfers that you see me do where you rub the image on, if you have small scraps, jewelry boxes are a great way to use those up. So I could put transfers on this. I could do would you bend on this, which I have some extra would you bend. I might do that on here. There's so many possibilities, and these are quick and easy flips. And if you really make them ornate and decorated and the inside's clean, you can get a pretty good profit margin on these, okay? So like I said, this was only $3.99, and look at, not much work needing to be done to this. It's just gonna get a really cute paint job. Okay, next one, I got another jewelry box. This one is really clean on the inside. Put that drawer back in there. Okay, so the next one is another jewelry box, and it's in great condition on the inside. And I paid $6.99. It was not a green tag, so I did pay full price. So it's $6.99, but it's in very clean condition. I checked the inside. See, look at the inside. Gotta make sure these drawers don't fall out. See how clean that is? It's got the little hooks for the bracelets and necklaces or whatever. It's got your ring holder. It has all these drawers, and they're all clean. See how clean they are? This was a no-brainer because it's not going to be much work to give this an updated new look. It does have some scratches on it, and so it will be getting some type of paint job because, yeah, you can't see it on the camera, but it has some dings and some scratches, so it's going to get a paint job. It also still has the key. That was nice too, that they did not lose the key. So the key still is there to lock it, and that is a plus when it comes to flipping it and selling it. But for $6.99, this one's gonna be a fun piece, especially if you are a beginning painting furniture flipper. These are great pieces also to teach yourself how to paint furniture, to get used to certain surfaces, practice your blending, using transfers. Jewelry boxes are a very easy way to practice because it takes up very little space in your workshop, and it usually costs very little money, and you can get as creative as you want with these. So this was the next one of $6.99. Okay, and the next one, I just thought it would be kind of fun. I like to look for different types of things so I can do different projects, so I'm not just doing jewelry boxes or canvas work or furniture. I actually bought this little metal sign, and it was $2.99. $2.99, and it doesn't, you can't, even if it's hanging on the wall, you really can't see what it says. It is a Bible scripture, so I kind of feel bad doing anything to it, but you can't see it. It's done so small, and it just is not that legible on here. So I am going to be giving this a makeover because my house, I really want to get, I'm big into the farmhouse decor, and so I love getting things like this, and I'm going to possibly be doing, I'll paint the inside of here, maybe put some flowers in here, maybe add a little bit more patina on here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but for $2.99, this is going to be super cute and a quick and easy flip as well. Okay, so, you know, I'm always wearing hats. So when I went to the thrift store, usually I don't buy hats very often at the thrift store, but when you come across a baseball cap, that is totally my style. We see these at Hobby Lobby a lot. I'll be washing it, and but I wanted to show you $1.99. Wasn't 50% off or anything, but for $1.99, and I live in hats and that cute little happy camper, I said, you know, why not? So I also bought myself a hat while I was there. Well, there you go. That is my quick little thrift haul of home goods that I did this week. And like I said, my next video with these, I'm going to show you some videos of redoing these pieces so you can see how I transform them. And maybe you'll get some ideas. If you are flipping for a quick profit on Marketplace, or doing garage sales and you're flipping items that you previously bought at a garage sale, I'm hoping I'm going to inspire you, because, I mean, it can't get any funner than this. I love going to the thrift store. I love looking for a deal, and I love looking for something that I can breathe new life into and find it a new home versus sitting on a shelf at the local Goodwill or in a landfill. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs once again, and make sure you're clicking on like and subscribe down below, that little bell, so you're notified every time I put up a new video. And that's about it. Love and hugs until next time. I hope you have a great day.